Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 18th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had kind of a crappy day today. We didn't lose a lot of money, but it's just not a good day. You can see here with what happened with the Dow. Um, it opened a little bit lower, and then it just trended sideways, officially closing down 38 points. Now, actually, I kind of like this pattern just because it's congested, and what's going to happen if the stocks take off tomorrow, and you never know if they're going to do that, but it could happen. We're going to get into a lot of positions and get a little bit of follow through on Friday. We could make a lot of money. So there's always that chance, and I kind of like that pattern. Of course, if stocks tank tomorrow, we're probably not going to make a lot of money. We we had look like maybe 12 positions or so coming in today, and we closed those out with positive $2,000. That was a little bit disappointing because right after the open, that was about $15,000. So we had another one of the old days. Had one yesterday too, where we come in right after the open with quite a lot of profits, and then they kind of shrink to not very much by the time we actually get out. So that was a little disappointing. And then we got into, um, maybe 8 positions or so today, and virtually everything was negative. So we're carrying negative $5,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So, positive 2,000 on the closeout, negative 5,000 on what we're carrying. Uh, Everything kind of hinges on what's going to happen with this um, these congested stocks tomorrow. As I say, we could have a really good day, or it could go sour. We'll just have to see. I just have a couple stocks I'll show you here. This first one illustrates what I'm talking about when I say things went bad after the open this morning. This is um, Insys Therapeutics Incorporated, and we bought this thing yesterday, kind of midday, and it did close positive, not by very much, but it really jumped up here on the open. And if we would have sold this thing up here, we would have taken like $6,000 out of Insys Therapeutics, but fell all the way back here, and we got out here. We still took 2,000 out of it, but a lot more if we could have gotten out right near the open this morning. But that's not our system. That's not what we trade. So we'll just have to be happy with that $2,000. And then this was about the only trade that I would say went fairly well today. This is Omeros Corporation, OMER. We bought this about second hour yesterday, and it kept going there. We had some profits on the close, but then it popped up here fairly nicely for our exit, and we took $2,000 out of Omeros Corporation. So, other than that, nothing to write home about. Today was kind of a slow, boring day with not much happening. But I say we could have a lot happen tomorrow depending on how volatile the stocks are. So this is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday.